Hello, my name is Tom Poirier, and I'm an IT manager at IDEXX Laboratories in Westbrook, Maine. I was brought in about a year and a half ago, and the most important thing I was brought in to do was put in place a test automation capability that could be used across IT on all of the projects that we had. So we had multiple technologies that we had to handle. No tool on the market actually comes to that point. There's a gap between what the tools on the market do and what the need is. And so typically those are addressed by frameworks. So the first thing to do was take a fresh look at the market to see what frameworks were out there. And I was a little reluctant to even think that I would find anything, and as luck would find it, I did find something that it looked very promising. And as we took a look at it, we looked at our own needs and solutions. And once I found this thing, the InsideEdge xAFT framework from Alliance Global Services. And as I started to look at that, I realized this had what I wanted in it. It had low technical debt. It was usable by non-programmers. It created very efficient and effective test automation. And it was usable within the sprint. Most of the solutions that I had seen were something that were outside of the sprint. You finish the sprint, you throw it over the wall to some test automators, and they do that work. And that can be very disruptive and miss the nuances that happen within the sprint. So we engaged them, and we actually took them on a pilot, and that pilot lasted several months. And at the end of that pilot, we delivered on time, on budget, and with much more scope than we had initially anticipated. And part of that just was because of the strength of the partnership with Alliance Global Services. So we were looking for a framework, and we found a partner.